Fall is all about apples, and today we're gonna make this incredibly easy and delicious apple pancake muffin with brown sugar streusel. Of course, you can enjoy this any time of year. I'm Nikki, and this is Nikki's Modern Mediterranean. I make pancake muffins throughout the years. This is a great activity for my kids to do. You just get the batter ready for them and they can add in their favorite toppings. I like to make this with sprinkles for my kids' birthday as a fun treat for them in the morning. But for fall, I like to make them with apples, and we'll make an apple pancake today. So we're gonna get started by just spraying our muffin tin, and you can use any of your favorite pancake batter. Follow the ingredients on the box. And I have pancake batter here ready. So I'm just gonna pour really halfway full in the muffin. Halfway full for this. So I'm making these for my kids today, but a lot of times on the weekends, I'll just pour the pancake batter in here and I'll let them have fun with different toppings that they want in their pancakes. And also this is great because you can bake these and they'll last a couple days in the fridge, so you could just warm them up for them in the morning. For our pancake muffins, I used about 2½ cups of batter. Distributed that evenly inside our tins. Just gonna wipe these little edges here. Then we're gonna add our toppings, which I've just taken 1 apple, peeled and chopped up in little cubes. I'm gonna add them into the pancakes. Just gonna kind of press them down a little bit so when they're baking, they kind of go into our little muffins. I've added our apples into our pancake muffins, and to make it extra special, I'm going to make a brown sugar streusel to go on top before we bake them. So to do this, we're gonna use 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, just a tiny pinch of salt, a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm just gonna mix these ingredients together. There we go. This is really gonna add a nice touch to our pancake muffins. Just put that, mix all of that together. The cinnamon and the apples just remind me of fall, and I love the smell. So it's really fun to bake these and have that smell throughout your house. So now I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons of cubed butter, cold cubed butter. We're gonna put that with our clean hands inside, and I'm just gonna kind of press our butter into our mixture so that we can make our streusel. Push this all together. So we've made our streusel that we're gonna add on the top of our muffin, our pancake muffins right now. So I'm gonna add a little bit to each one. And it's so funny in fall because I love to go apple picking with my kids. I always try to make fun games with them on how many recipes we can make with apples. So if you guys have a recipe out there that you want me to use for apples, with apples, or you have something that you really want me to make, leave me a comment so that I can make that. We'll put all these different, we did a whole weekend once where I only told my kids I was only gonna only cook with apples. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You'll be amazed at what you can make. So we're gonna put all of these here. This already smells good and we haven't even baked them yet. Who wouldn't want this for breakfast? Look how delicious this looks already. And we're gonna put this in the oven at 350 to bake. It's been about 15 minutes and our pancake muffins look amazing. These smell amazing. I can't wait to try them and for my kids to taste these. I'm gonna plate them over here. Look at this. So this is different than just a regular muffin, it's pancake. So I know my kids will definitely eat this. And it was super easy to make. They look amazing. Do this during the week or on the holidays, or on the weekends, but to be honest, it was so easy. You can make this anytime. So I'm plating these all over here. Could even drizzle a little maple syrup on top if you wanted. Look at this. The brown sugar and the cinnamon, oh, it smells so good. Wow, these look awesome. So this is ready to be served. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com and don't forget to like and subscribe.